Camouflage. The reason why I do not use camouflage when I'm out in my hammock is because I don't want some little kid running around with an air rifle hunting squirrels or bunnies, not seeing me and then shooting me. As lovely as this looks, as effective as it is, admittedly you could do with having some branches on there to break down the rectangular design, but I would be worried about some bugger shooting me by accident. If it were a real zombie apocalypse type thing, there are ways you can have yourself camouflaged without having to be so exposed. Does make sense? You're presenting a very big target, basically. Yet there are ways you can do it so you can have protection and be unobserved. But yeah, that's my biggest reason why I don't use camo when I'm doing stuff. I like to have my rain tarpaulin, which is a nice block rectangle, so I am visible as a man-made object as opposed to something that might hide a fluffy-tailed nut-thieving bastard.